Hot day in your RV? The heat and sunlight can ruin your relaxation and sleep. Get our RV Vent Insulator. It blocks sunlight, protects privacy, and keeps your RV cool in summer and warm in winter. It's got a triple-layer design. The reflective silver outer layer blocks the sun's rays. The middle insulation layer prevents heat transfer. And the off-white inner layer adds some extra privacy. Plus, installation couldn't be easier. It comes with pre-attached Velcro on the frame of the insulator cover, and all we have to do is align and stick the other adhesive side of the Velcro. Before we install, remember to peel off the backing from the Velcro. Just align, stick, and press around the edges. Done. And if you ever want to let in a little light, you can half open it by taking down the tab and securing it on the other side. Super convenient. So if you're ready to make your RV trips more comfortable, click the link in the description to grab yours today.